Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable limit maximum volume on iPhone iOS 26. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, locate and click on Sounds and Haptics. Now you want to scroll down the Sounds and Haptics page until you get to built-in speaker. Now go ahead and click on volume limit. Then here if you see limit maximum volume, set a limit for how loud your iPhone speaker can play audio such as song, movie and other media. Now go ahead and turn on limit maximum volume. Then here under limit maximum volume, you can increase your audio maximum volume on your iPhone to 90% or reduce it to 20%, the minimum. Now once you are done, this is going to reduce or increase the maximum volume limit on your iPhone when you are using the built-in speaker. And that's it. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.